Hey guys, just want to make this quick video to give a little update and announcement on the video where I'm going to be playing your games. So I've had quite a lot of questions and queries about it recently. It's not going to be a live stream, it will be a recorded video, and I am still going to do it. I'm not 100% too sure when, but it will be soon. It's just, as some of you may know, I am still a full-time uni student, and in these coming weeks I have a lot of hand-ins, so I'm very busy at the moment, and obviously playing as many games as you sent in, which is a lot, so I might not be able to play all of them, but I'm going to try my best to play as many as I can. That will take up quite a lot of time because I need to play them, edit the video, upload it, do all that stuff. So that could take quite a while, but I do plan to do it soon. I'm hoping either next week or the week after. But again, I will play it, so don't worry about that. I haven't forgotten about it, and I am going to play it. And if I can't play all of them, I will make sure to select them randomly, probably using a wheel decide or anything like that, just to make sure that it's still completely fair and there's no favoritism or anything. So I won't put the names on when picking them. I'll just pick a random game and then obviously credit them, probably links in the description, all that stuff. But again, it's going to be a video, it is going to happen, but I'm not 100% too sure when. But just so you know, I haven't forgotten about it, and hopefully this covers any questions and queries which you have. If you have any more, just leave them in the comments down below, and obviously ask me or other people in the Discord, as we're all quite helpful, and I'm sure everybody in there would love to help you out and answer any questions that you may have. So again, just a quick update and announcement of future plans. Very busy at the moment, but I am trying my best to keep up with it all. Again, thank you so much for all of your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.